Hello, welcome to TechTube. So this video will be helpful for you if you're looking for how to download and install OBS Studio on your Windows operating system, and how to set up to record a video and for a live streaming, etc. So in this video we will show you how to do this. So let's start. First off, go to the browser and search for OBS Studio and go with the first link. This is the official website and you can download it for Windows, Mac OS as well as Linux, whatever you are using. It is based on your choice. So if you are using Windows, so click on this Windows button and that download process will be started. So internet connectivity is slow, that's why it is so this download process has been started here. So it is basically of 133 MB. So I have downloaded already. So let's start. Go to the file manager where you have downloaded. So this is my OBS Studio installer application. So double click on it and click on the yes button to install it, and after that installer will be prompted to you, and click on the next button. So in my case I have downloaded and installed it on my system. So you have to follow these procedures and click on the next and after installing you can open this OBS Studio. A launcher will be created on your desktop, and open this and that will show you like this. Now you have to do one thing, that click on this plus icon and you have to select audio input capture for input the audio to record your voice. So click on this and rename this. You can also rename this and click on this OK button. You can see here I have selected this already, audio input capture. Okay, and the next one is video capture device. After selecting this audio input capture, you can select this video capture device. Again you have to rename this if you want and click on this OK button, and that will be added here, video capture device. Okay, for recording your video. And now display capture, whatever you will do on your screen. So this display capture will be helpful for you. So click on this plus icon and click on this display capture, and again OK this. I am showing you by clicking on this OK button. See this display capture 2 has been inserted here. So I am gonna delete it from here because I have already created this display capture. So see, so these three things are the basics to record your video, any video. So video capture, audio input capture and the display capture. There are many other options here like game capture, okay, and window capture, application audio capture. So you can use this based upon your need. So now for now leave as it is. and there are additional tools here, you can see. So you don't have to do here something. You can set this UI, that you can show this status bar, source icon, source toolbar, dock toolbars. Okay, and now click on the settings option, and here you can go to the stream, and you can select this service, that what type of streaming you want here. Like you want to streaming on YouTube, then click on this YouTube option. If Facebook, then click on this Facebook, and click on this OK, then apply. And this is for output, like a streaming, what video will your video bitrate options, like you can select from here: audio bitrate, video encoder preset. So it is recommended that please keep these as it is by default. You don't need to set up anything here in the output section, in the audio section. So keep as it is set by default. In the video section, so this is selected by default in 1920 into 1080, and this is the hotkey section. Here you can select for a start streaming, stop streaming shortcut button. Okay, if you want to start streaming, like I want whenever I will press this F11 button, so then streaming will be started. So as well as for a start recording, stop recording, here you can see I have selected here for a start recording F6, and for a stop recording F7, for pause recording F8, and for unpause recording F9. You can also select here, like for start replay buffer, start virtual camera, stop virtual camera. So there are many other sections, you can see. So you can use here as per your need, that which type of service you want to use, and the shortcut keys. So this is basically. Now click on this OK button. So after clicking on this OK button, if you have made any changes to this section, that changes will be applied. So these were the basics of the OBS Studio. So these are the tools: scene collection, docs. So I think no need to you have to setting anything, only you have to do these three basics needs for capturing the device, and the audio input capture, and the display capture. And see, you can see here is the option start virtual camera. When you will enable it, then your face will be showing here after enabling the start virtual camera option. And this is the studio mode. So you can see this studio mode has been enabled here, and you can set here transition, and this fade to black, etc. There are many options. So close this studio mode for now. If you will need, then you can enable from here. Now if we click on this stop recording, this recording will be stopped. Okay, so I think you understood what I am saying about this OBS Studio. This is the latest version 30.2.3. So I think this video is helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching this video.